Welcome back to another episode of Fishing Me DYangBass. It's gonna be the same lake because I felt so good fishing it last time, right? And hopefully today we can repeat that. This is day 2 of it. We had a little snowstorm, so I had to drive a little slower. So I didn't quite get here at the time that I wanted to be, but that's okay because we're gonna be setting up some flags, maybe a automatic fisherman, and jig for some panfish. It hasn't been really cold. If you guys are wondering why I haven't gone up to whitefish, you can still go out there, but you gotta be careful unless you want to be an island boy. But let me show you guys what I'm working with today. It sucks. Here, look at this. You see all that? It's like, this is a frozen path-ish. Just watching out for this stuff is already sketchy enough. So I'll see you guys in a bit. You guys don't know what it is? It's a hook setting system. I'll show you guys in a bit if I do catch a fish. I don't want to be salty yet. Put on my goggle, guys. I'm gonna get whacked in the face. That's what this thing does. It whacks people. Pretty bad too. Yep, just hook this guy by the head. Well, the back of the head, I should say. I should show you guys on the GoPro, but I gotta set this up first. Alright, so I gotta reel it in a little bit. Yeah, it should be good. It's around like 1.5 feet off. That's perfect. And so you guys see here, that's the system, okay? You basically bend the rod to that little tip right there, the little pin, and then when the fish pulls the line, it knocks that leverage down, and it automatically sets the hook. There's a fish on me right now, actually. So we're gonna try to set up the flag for these big fish run away. Oh yeah. See how high is it? Here you go. It's okay. It's not bad. Yeah, it's not bad. It's 1.5 feet off. You know, minus the weeds, so it should be good. That's actually perfect. Yeah. Flag is up. It's spinning. It's spinning. It feels like a bass. Oh, it's a walleye, dude. What the hell? Yes. Yes, dude. The freaking walleye. What? Okay, get my measuring tape. Go right on top, right here. Chill, chill. Gotta go right on top of the ruler. Dude, 17 3/4. Oh my gosh, right. I gotta look at regulation real quick. I want to say it's 15, but you never know, right? Alright, so according to the Wisconsin DNR page here, where I'm fishing, it says right here, from May 7th, make sure, okay, yep, from May 7th to March 5th, the minimum length is 15 inch and daily is 5. This guy is 17 3/4, so you are coming home with me, boy. Hell yeah. You're coming home. Flex up. Screw these guys. Yeah, it's spinning. Jeez. That's a big fish. Oh my gosh. Oh, jeez. That's a real big fish. Oh my god, what is this? What is this? Here's my marker. Oh, big pike, big pike. Big pike, big pike. Go, 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 go. Big pike, big pike. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, this is what I was looking for. Big pike, big pike. Oh my gosh, it's huge. It's huge. It's huge. Yep. Just gonna do his thing. Hooked right at the corner of the mouth. Oh my gosh. Big pike. Sorry, I'm breathing real hard, guys. I'm about to have a heart attack. Big pike, big pike. Big pike. It doesn't fit the hole. Oh my gosh. Dude, let's go. Oh my gosh. It's not a 40 or anything, but wow. Okay, I gotta get the other camera. Hold on. Just show you, buddy. I gotta get the pliers. Look at this, guys. Absolute beautiful fish. Look at that. That's what I've been looking for. It's bleeding a little bit, but it's okay. Beautiful fish. Going back. Thank you so much. I don't want to touch it. Oh my gosh. That is one absolute beautiful fish. I can't even grip him. I'm so slimy. So when you release a fish through the hole, you never want to go back and forth, okay? You just want to go side to side like this. Just turn, get the water circulating inside his gills. And then you just kind of dip him in like this. And once he kicks off, right there, you see that? And he kicks off. That's it. Oh my gosh. Yes. Oh. That was cool. Yes. It's not over, guys. It's not over. Oh, dude, it's spinning. What the heck? Already. It's spinning. Bro, I just dropped it. You guys saw that. I just dropped it and turned around. It's a largemouth. Big ass large. Bro. I just dropped it. What the heck? Just got herself a big bass. Probably 3 pounds. 8-inch hole. Look at this. So look at the color on that thing. Boom. Oh shit, flags up. It's running. Big fish. Head shakes. That's my marker. Oh yeah. Look at that thing. Yeah, that's a keeper right there. I might keep him. I gotta cut the line, guys. Hold on. Okay. Gotta check out the other guy. Oh, it's running. It's running. Got another one. That's a freaking big fish. That's a pike. Yep, it's another freaking pike. Oh my gosh. Damn, dude, still a good fish, man. And it's 2 per angler, so. Bro, this one's 26 too. Hell yeah. 27 actually. Look, I'm gonna set this down at the 30 mark, 32 mark. Put this fish right on top. For nose, 27 inches, guy. So where I'm fishing, you keep 2 over 26 or over, okay? This is 27 exact. Actually, here over 27, so we're gonna keep this guy. This one right here. Man, this one's even bigger. That's a 28. Let's go. All right, we're gonna keep these 2 for sure. Yep, 28 inches over the tape measure. So I tell you guys, nose to here, 28 inches. Yes. Whew, tired. Head shake, head shake. See what it is. Bro, look. Oh my gosh, bro. It's huge. Fatty, dude, pushing 4 pounds right here. Holy smoke, we're gonna let him go. Look at this. Absolute tank. Behemoth. Wow, dude. Alright, ready, girl? She's full of like bayfish too. See ya. Finally. Big fish, guys. Big fish. Oh my gosh. Really big fish. Oh my gosh. My heart is freaking pounding, yo. Oh my gosh. It's a big ass pike. Oh my gosh. It doesn't fit the hole. Oh my gosh, dude. He's huge. No, no, don't do that. Don't do it. Don't do it. Oh my gosh. Bro! Oh, oh my gosh, dude. Yes. Bro, he's massive. We finally did it, guys. Oh my gosh. This is an absolute behemoth. I can't even talk right now. We came for what we wanted, and we got it on the automatic fisherman. Wow. Just keep him right there. Keep the gills in the water. Oh my gosh. She is 34 inches, y'all. Oh my gosh. Yep, let's keep her head in the water. She should be okay. It's not cold today, okay? So I'm not worried. It's 35 degrees out. Snowing, but it's not cold, okay? But look at this absolute take. Unbelievable, dude. Just beautiful. Alright, catch and release. Alright. Again, guys, just turn it nice and slow, just like that, okay? When she's ready, you feel her tighten up, she'll let you go. Just like that. Oh my gosh, dude. Just an absolute beautiful fish. The fins are kicking. Yep, she's going. Look, she's going. She's going. There she goes. She kicks. Yes. Yes, thank you. Thank you, Lord. Gosh. Unforgivable. Bro, what the heck? I just walked up to it. Oh my gosh. I just walked up to it and it went off. Oh my gosh. You guys saw that? I walked up to it and it went off. Whoa. That was cool. Dude. Let me reset the other one real quick before it freezes. I think now it's recording. We got a big freaking fish on, guys. I don't know what it is. Hold on. You guys can see it. Big pike. This one might even be bigger, bro. Oh my gosh. It's not coming up, dude. Oh my gosh. It's even bigger. Oh, it's even bigger, dude. Right there, dude. Oh my gosh. Right there, guys. Right on the corner of its mouth. Oh my goodness. Look at how big that fish is. It's way bigger than the first one. Oh my gosh, we're looking at 39. We're looking at 39, guys. Oh my gosh. Right there. Sorry for the red rope, but 39 inches. 38, 39, that's all I'm saying. 38, 39 inches. Right there, guys. Absolute beautiful fish. It's not as fat as the other one, but Still a very respected fish, man. Holy cow. Wow, unbelievable. Oh my gosh. Oh jeez. And it's gone. Yes. So, we made it back home. The reason why I didn't want to shoot a outro at the lake or coming back home, because honestly I was just soaking everything in, right? Like just living that moment of catching this fish. Why was it so important to me? Because I have been trying for the past, I could say 10 outings, just catching those two fish, just being able to handle them. First one was 34 inches. She was just beautiful. She was girthy. She had a stomach. And I was just like, wow, you know. Honestly, I was already done. Like, I didn't care to catch anything anymore. Like, I was just done for that day. But at the very end, as you saw in the video, I walked up to it because I was going to pack and go. I walked up to it. It went off. I fought it. I guess I did it right. And I was able to land that really big one, that 38, 39. The fish was kind of bending a little bit, so I didn't want to like force it to stay straight, right? Because obviously the fish is being a fish, and I didn't want to force it or keep it out of the water too long. Just absolutely wow, because we caught that fish, and it was a beautiful fish. So those two moments mean so much to me, and hopefully we can catch more of them pretty soon. So with that being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for tagging along for so long, for me trying this whole flag thing, and we finally got the pike we were looking for. My goal now is to break that 39. Hopefully we'll find a 40 soon. With that being said, stay tuned. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.